All right, I got something to show you here. I looked out the window and saw a lot of activity over at the beehives, and I'm going to flip this thing around and let you see what's going on. Check this out. We got a swarm happening. It appears that the swarm has found another one of our empty sets of bee equipment, and they are looking at moving in. I'm going to back up here a little bit. You're going to be able to see, and we just got bees all over the place. They're flying like crazy. We'll come back in here. So this is again our old equipment. It's got some rot in the corners. They're loving that as a place to go in. They're in here checking it out, trying to figure out if this is a home they want to keep. Trying to figure out if there's a central place where they're all gathering to see if the queen is in here. So again, right next door is our hive that we discovered the other day is being occupied. So they're still just kind of doing their thing, coming and going. So they're just happy bees doing their thing, but next door we got neighbors moving in. So I would say, based on what we're seeing, swarm season is definitely upon us. Taking a peek back here. Pretty cool stuff. I'm going to back up again. I'm not sure how good the video quality is, but you can just see the sky is just covered with bees right now. Can't hear them quite as much now, but yeah, they're flying like crazy. All right, oops. Got somebody wanting to land here, take a little break while they're flying around. There they go. I'm gonna take a look in here, just see, make our hive here. Everybody's happy in there. Yep. One of the things I was a little worried about is if our new hive here that just took up residence, if they were the ones that were swarming, but it does not appear so. There's so many bees out here swarming. This other hive would have to be almost empty if it was them. Yep, they are going crazy. And yes, Ron, I am being careful. I've got my bee-proof shorts on. All right, well, I'll post something later once they settle down and see if they take up residence.